Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can integrate or connect Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to open our web browser and go to app.smartsheet.com and make sure that our account is logged in and available. The next thing would be to open a new tab and type in make.com/en and make an account on this site right here. So click on login and make an account for you to use this site. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to go to the top right and click on create scenario. From here, we're going to click on this plus icon right here, and then we're going to search Smartsheet first. Click on it, and then you can either click on a trigger or an action. After that, we need to connect this to our Smartsheet account. So click on add, and then click on save. This would redirect you to another tab where you can log in to your Smartsheet account and give it access. After that, we're gonna select a folder ID, a destination, a name, it's up to you. And after that, click on save. Now, we're gonna add another module, and on the search node, we're gonna type in Microsoft Teams. Click on it, and then click on the action that you wish to do. And as simple as that, you've made an integration between Smartsheet and Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!